Okay, so probability. Uh, the probability of getting a white counter is 0.75. You should know that that's the same as 3/4. So we're saying that 3/4 of the counters in the bag, of the 20 counters, are white. That's the same as 0.75 times 20, or 3/4 of 20, which you probably know is 15. So that would be the answer. There are 15 white counters. Now, she's going to add more black counters, but we want a probability of choosing a white counter of 0.25. So, at the moment, there are 15 white counters, as we discovered, and 5 black counters. Now, we want that 15 white now to be 25%, or 0.25 of the total, or a quarter of the total. So we then need quite a lot more black counters so that the ratio is 15 white counters out of 60, because 15 is 25% of 60. So therefore, we need a total of 45 black counters. Well, we've got 5 in there already. Be careful, we've got 5 already. So we just need to add another 40. And then you should find that the ratio is 15 to 45, or 0.25 to 0.75, or if you prefer, 25% to 75%.